Hello viewers, welcome to SkillWeb. Today we will learn how to count unique values in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Begin by opening your Excel workbook that contains the data from which you want to count unique values. Select a blank cell in your worksheet where you want the unique count result to appear. This cell will display the count. In the selected cell, enter the following formula: COUNTIF and put our past bracket, then select the range that contains your data. Now put a comma and select the criteria. For example, we are selecting this one, then put another bracket. Press enter. Excel will calculate it and display the count of unique values in the specified range. You can modify the formula or select a different range to count unique values in other columns or sheets as required. You have learned how to count unique values in Microsoft Excel, an essential skill for data analysis. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.